You don't wake up and decide to compare yourself. It just happens. You open your phone and there it is, the highlight reel, the milestone, the glow up, the I woke up like this, and suddenly your life feels small, your progress insignificant, your joy temporary. This isn't vanity, it's not insecurity, it's your brain wired by evolution and hijacked by algorithm trying to survive in a world that profits from your self-doubt. Comparison isn't a flaw, it's biology weaponized. Your brain evolved to scan the tribe. Am I safe? Am I enough? Will I be left behind? Back then, fitting in meant survival. Now, you're comparing yourself to curated avatars, filtered, edited, algorithmically amplified, or people you don't even know. And your nervous system, it doesn't know the difference. It still thinks, I'm not like them, I'm not enough, I'm in danger. So you scroll, you measure, you shrink, not because you're weak, because your survival wiring is being exploited in real time. Why can't you just stop, even when you want to? Your dopamine system is triggered. Every like, every follower count, every win you see, it triggers a micro hit of dopamine, not for you, but in response to them. Your brain logs it. They have it, you don't. Go get it, it's not envy. It's neurochemical conditioning trained by infinite scroll. Comparison fills an emotional void, not a logical one. You're not comparing because you lack data, you're comparing because you lack safety. Belonging, worth, permission to be where you are, so your brain reaches for the only metric it thinks matters. Am I measuring up? Even when the rule is broken. You've been taught that your value is relative, not inherent. Grades, rankings, likes, salaries, bodies, relationships. From childhood, your worth was ranked against siblings, classmates, co-workers, strangers. What comparison is really screaming beneath the envy? I'm scared, I'm falling behind. I'm afraid I'm not enough. I don't know who I am without measuring against others. I am lonely and their life looks like proof I'm doing it wrong. This isn't jealousy. It's grief for the version of you that never got to exist without a scoreboard. How to stop? Not by force, but by reorientation. Name the trigger, don't fight the feelings. Next time you spiral, pause, whisper. This isn't truth, this is trauma dressed as comparison. You're not failing, you're being triggered by a system designed to keep you hungry. Ask, what am I really hungry for? Behind every comparison is a need. Belonging, connection, validation, self-trust, purpose, alignment, safety, stillness. Stop chasing their life. Start feeding your soul what it actually craves. Create a comparison diet, not deprivation, but redirection. Mute triggers not out of avoidance, but self-respect. Replace scroll time with soul time, journaling, nature, music, silence. Follow accounts that reflect your value, not your envy. Practice enoughness. Not gratitude, not affirmations, enoughness. Look into the mirror, say, I am not behind, I am not lacking, I am not a draft version waiting to be upgraded. I am a whole right here, right now. Even if nothing changes today, I am enough. You don't need to be better than anyone. You need to stop measuring yourself against ghosts of curated lives, ghosts of imaginated futures, ghosts of who you think you should be. Comparison doesn't mean you're broken, it means you're human in a digital world that forgot how to hold humanity gently. So stop trying to win a race that doesn't exist. Stop begging your nervous system to chill when the world is screaming compare 24/7. Instead, turn the volume down, turn inward, and whisper again and again until your bones believe it. I am not a ranking, I am not a metric, I am not a before picture waiting for an alert. I am here, I am becoming, and that is more than enough.